In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front forward lower control arm bushing on this BMW X5. This is going to be located behind the front wheels. Let's get into it. Underneath the vehicle, we're going to take this panel off. There's fasteners along the front. You may have some right there. You're going to use a 8mm socket. Take these off. On the sides, you may have some push pins. In the back, you're going to have a couple more screws. Use a 8mm socket. Take those out, grab the panel, and slide it down. We're going to remove the wheel. Use a 19mm socket. Take these lug bolts out. Before I take the last one out, I'm just going to hold the wheel from falling. Then grab the wheel and pull it off. Using a 21mm socket on this bolt and a 21mm wrench on the nut on the back side. Now you want to loosen this up. The nut off. And pull the bolt out. Using a pry bar, just gonna pry this down. Lower that arm. Just gonna take a wire brush and just go around the bushing, just clean it up a little bit. Good. Keep in mind when you push the old one out, there's a little arrow right here, and that's just pointing to this little mark here. If you don't have a mark, maybe you can use a pen or a marker and just make a mark so you know how to put the new one in. Now we're going to use a press. You want to push the bushing out. The cup on the back side needs to be bigger than the bushing, and once I get this moving, I'll put a smaller cup on the inside. Just tighten this down. There we go. It's starting to move. And now we have a cup that's smaller than the bushing. It's just pushing it through. Oh, it's all the way down. Almost all the way out. I'm just going to use a punch and push the bushing the rest of the way out. that popped out. And my cup was a little bit too big, so I'm gonna have to pop that out. There we go. I'm just gonna take a wire brush, just clean this up. I'm gonna take the new bushing. Remember that arrow, you want it pointed over there. Just gonna give it a tap. Just get it started. And we're just gonna press it in. Before we push this in all the way, you don't wanna push it too far. What you can do, before you actually start, you can take a socket and just measure where this bushing is in the arm. This is a 9mm socket, so we want to push this bushing up to about 9mm, and it should be even on both sides. That's as far down as I want. I can remove the tool. And double check it with the socket. That looks good. It looks good on the other side. If you have to adjust, then go ahead and do so. Now slide this in place. Tap it in with a rubber mallet. That lined up. Put the bolt through. Goes. Take the nut, get the nut started. Get the wrench on there. You don't want this too tight, you still want it loose. We're gonna raise the suspension using a pole jack. Raise the suspension as close to ride height as possible. All right, that's good there. And I'll tighten this down. I'm going to torque this nut and bolt to 74 foot-pounds and then an additional 90 degrees. That's good. Now we can lower the pole jack. Now install the wheel. Get that lined up. And get the lug bolt started. And snug those down. And take this lower shield, get this lined up. And get the screws started. And tighten these down. Now we're going to torque the lug bolts to 111 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly.
Go around again, double check.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.